Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite and let me show you how to enter the eRecovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards, you need to prepare the USB-C cable connected to your PC. Here I have such a cable, and then you need to start holding volume up. So let's keep holding volume up and connect your device by using the USB-C cable. Let's keep holding volume up for the whole time. Let's just wait until the HUAWEI eRecovery mode pops up. Keep holding volume up. And now you can release it. As you can see, this is the HUAWEI eRecovery mode. Here you can download latest version and recovery. You can accomplish wipe data factory reset, reboot or shut down. You can navigate here by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So in order to quit this mode, in my case, let me choose reboot and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode, so let me just disconnect my device from my PC and let's wait until the phone shows you the home screen. So let's wait a couple of seconds, the device is rebooting. Excellent, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well and now you can use your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.